Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, where are we today?
We are in downtown Tulsa. We are going to the Tulsa Nostalgia Con.
Let's go adventuring! What's going on? Oh, sweet. Look at this. And they have games for days.
For real.
PS3, Xbox, PlayStation 2,
bunch of Wii. Oh, Wii.
All kinds of Wii. Got the Mike Vick Madden. What else do we have here? Cruising USA, that was the jam back in the day. This is a pretty cool setup here. There's all of these autographed football cards, and there are a ton of them. Every single card in here. Autograph. Some more over here. I see Toy Story back there. We got a Woody. Maybe
Oh my goodness, look, there's a little tiny one.
Oh, there's Buzz Lightyear. I knew he was in there somewhere. And we got an alien. Oh, look, all the island. I didn't even know they had merch. All right, there's a bunch of clothes in here. Got Looney Tunes.
A haunted mansion watched for hitchhiking ghosts.
You ever been on the Haunted Mansion?
I have been on the haunted mansion quite a few times.
How many times?
I could not tell you, but definitely not 999 times.
Found
That's
you a
funny!
turtle shirt.
Here, I'll hold it up. Do you guys think this would match my skirt?
I would say yes.
I'd say yes. That's cute.
I'm getting one of these. How could you not? Original 1993. Huh. They're from McDonald's. Did you see it?
I see it.
This is amazing. Mega Man! Uh-oh, what do we got? What do we got? Hercules!
It is busy. There's a lot of people here. There's a lot of vendors here, and it's really freaking awesome.
I do have a very important question for you.
What's that question?
Do you hear voices in your head?
I hear voices in my head. I don't want to get copyrighted.
The apex predator.
They talk to me.
Do you know where she is?
No, she could be anywhere.
Oh, what is this? Power Rangers Magical Girls. Wow.
Don't tell me you had that one.
No, I didn't have that one.
Oh.
Hook, Flintstones, lots of good ones there. Holy smokes. The Megazord. Dude. I think I have just found the booth I was looking for.
Maybe.
I looked over and I said, what? Kevin Nash? What? Are you kidding me? That Kevin Nash, Bret Hart, dude. Got everybody over here.
WrestleMania Goldberg up here.
Goldberg. Got AEW, got Moxley, Orange Cassidy. Oh, what's this? Darby. Do I have this one?
I feel like you might, but if you feel like you don't, what are you gonna do?
How you guys doing today?
Good.
Doing great.
We can help you out.
Absolutely.
Oh, Big E champion. That's pretty sweet too. Wow.
I feel like we just saw these come out with the opening of the new Epic Universe. I don't know if this is a brand new one, but that's pretty cool if it is.
Every version of Superman you could ever want. The Cyborg one is crazy. Oh, look at the Game Pros. These
They're
are
in like
sweet.
a really good shape too.
Those are awesome. Oh, dang, that one looks crazy. Joker time. This one looks really interesting. The 6-gun samurai. Look at all this Mighty Max. That's sweet. Oh, no way. What?
Skull and crossbones.
Oh shoot, I just saw another.
You're on a Jurassic Park roll today.
I know, I gotta get this. Got more comics. Oh, very first one, G.I. Joe. What do you got over here?
Found a Supergirl and a Superboy.
The Penguin. Oh, wow. That's crazy. The Frankenstein's really cool.
It is.
This is Johnny Johnson. Let's get a pack of trading cards.
I know, I've seen somebody with them, but I didn't know where they were getting them. All right, let's see what cards. So there'll be 10 full color art cards in here. Let's see who we got. I think I got them all out. Okay. Artist Alley trading cards. Okay, so there's a checklist. Let me put this trash down. Here we go. There's that. And on the back, there's a card checklist. So we have a Johnny Johnson. Hey! He's like, me, it's me. We have a Boca Designs. We got a Brad Ashworth.
Hey, look right there.
Oh, we got a Michael Crutchfield. There you are. And we're gonna get this signed if he will do that for us. I was hoping we had one in there, and we did.
Sweet.
Yay! Cool, now we have a signed trading card. That's awesome. We have the rest of the pack is Grunzo, which he's over here somewhere. We have
that's hilarious.
Jerry Bennett. That's cute. I like that. We have a Brad Matthews. I'm about to drop these. Brian Bird. Ghost 06. Luke Penwood. And then that's the beginning again. So we gotta go get some signatures.
Sweet.
We gotta go back over here.
Beep, 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 beep. We're back.
We got.
All right.
I don't know where that piece. Woohoo! Thank you so much. You have a cool signature.
Got it.
I was like, let's go on we gotta go on a treasure hunt now and get all of our autographs.
Oh yeah.
Pink is perfect.
Here.
Thank
Got
you.
it. Thank you.
What?
Now you got both of his.
What?
Oh, sweet.
That's
They're in the
amazing.
bonus.
That's amazing.
Some artists did more than one
So they're
card.
like not only just like cool trading cards, but they're like a mini print.
Yeah. And we're actually
Thank you so
we're in the middle of
much.
designing our own trading card game.
What?
So this is just the first test run. We just got these in today to see how the colors turned out. So we gotta make some adjustments, change some fonts.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, very cool. I have a Brad Matthews card I got in my pack. Can you sign it, please? Yay! This is so much fun. I'm loving this. Thank you. God, well, I'm holding it the wrong way. Got it signed.
Nice.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. That's awesome.
Book of Design. Did I say that right? Okay, cool.
That's sweet. You even got Skeletor right here.
I have one of these cute little guys on my
Wow,
bookshelf.
look at the Horseman.
Every time I see it, it makes me happy. They're so cute. Well, this is the image on there. Mr. Brad Ashworth. We're gonna see if he will. It's
Oh, that's fancy.
that is fancy. Your
Marker.
signature.
Oh.
Oh,
Marker signature combo.
My whole last name review.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
You gotta.
Up with something years ago. Absolutely.
Yes, I would love a signature.
Do you happen to have a print of this, Steamboat Willie?
It's so cool.
Thank you. I should
Okay.
make a few, but yeah, I haven't yet.
Okay.
Number one, you got the first edition.
Heck yeah.
That's cool.
I just gotta find one more person and then all of my cards got signed.
All right, let it dry though.
Yeah.
Set dry. These are. I was trying to get something that drew, but obviously dry faster. Just hold it like that for a minute.
Okay.
It'll dry in like 2 minutes.
Woohoo!
Another one. Got another one.
Sweet. See you guys.
Good to
Yeah,
see
good to
you. Okay, will you sign it for me?
Sure. You want me to sign it in English or Japanese?
Ooh,
Ooh.
Japanese.
Got it.
That's awesome. And now I have a completed pack of signed cards.
Awesome.
This was such a fun idea. Oh, that's cool. Thank you so much. Look at that. Woohoo!
So, adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Gateway Event Center for Tulsa Nostalgia Con.
And we had an amazing time. It was so much fun, so many things to see, and bye. But if you enjoyed this adventure and you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every single Friday, and go and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
We'll see you on our next adventure.